Open your book to page 265. This is lesson 9.4. This lesson is on solving equations containing grouping symbols. So let's go to example 1. You want to solve 10x minus 2 times 3 plus 4x parentheses equal to 7 minus x minus 2. So first you copy the problem. Now when you have grouping symbols, you need to go and undo the grouping symbol. So get rid of the parentheses. So let's go and multiply. So you can none up. So when you multiply, you distribute, right? So negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Negative 2 times 4x will give you minus ax. You can try to none up your equal sign to avoid careless mistakes. So 7 is 7. Now to get rid of parentheses, again you have to multiply. So negative times x is negative x. Negative times negative 2 is plus 2. So the new step is you have to distribute to multiply to get rid of the grouping symbols. Now once you do that, it becomes like a previous lesson, right? So you got variable all over the place, so that you need to go and consolidate. So let's go and simplify this side. Again, don't look at that side, okay? So this side, this and this, I'm going to combine, so it will be negative 6 and line up. 10x minus ax will give you plus 2x. So it doesn't matter if you write the 2x over here or 2 over here, it doesn't matter. Okay? On this side, you can none up your equal sign. On this side, I have the 7 and 2, so I can combine them. So I got negative x plus 9. So now it becomes another, one more lesson earlier. So you got variable on both sides. So you need to consolidate the variable. So I'm going to move this to this side. So to move, you have to undo, right? When you're moving something, it means you're undoing something. To undo something, you have to do the opposite. So this is minus x. So to undo the minus x, you have to plus x. Okay. So this becomes negative 6 plus 3x equal to, this cancel out, and that's the reason we're doing this. So now when you move variable to this side, that means you have to move the number to the opposite side. So to undo the minus 6, you have to plus 6. So you got 3x is equal to 15. So now to undo the 3, this is a multiplication. So to undo the multiplication, you have to divide. Right? So divide by 3. Divide by 3. So x equal to 5. Okay, let's go to example 2. Example 2, you're solving 5 times 2 minus 3x minus 4 equal to 5x plus, now this is a more grouping symbol. You have the bracket minus parentheses 2x minus 10 closing parentheses plus 8. So you can make sure you show your steps, right? Show your steps. Do step one step at a time. So first, let's get rid of the parentheses. So let's go and distribute to get rid of the parentheses. So 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15x minus 4. Again, none of your equal sign. Try not to shift. None of your equal sign. It will help you to avoid some of the mistakes. Equal to 5x plus. Now again, we only do the parentheses right now, so we're not doing the bracket yet. So you multiply, you get minus 2x. Multiply, you get plus 10, and this is plus 8. Again, notice I try to none up everything as much as I can. So my next step is get rid of the bracket. So you can don't write anything yet, right? Again, doing one thing at a time, right? So this is to get rid of the grouping symbol, you need to multiply. So that's when you don't see a number is 1. So 1 times anything is to be the same. Okay. So again, first step, get rid of the parentheses. Step 2, get rid of the brackets. So now you got too many terms all over the place. So let's go and consolidate. Let's go and combine the like terms to simplify things a little bit. So again, when you do that, you don't combine this with that, okay? Because it's the equation. So you only can combine on the same side. So this one and this one can combine. So you got negative 15x. 10 minus 4 will give you plus 6, right? You can try to none up your equal sign. On this side, I have the minus the 5x and minus 2x. So this will give me 3x. And this one over here, 10 and 8, give me plus 18. So that kind of lower the number of terms a little bit, tidy up things a little bit. So now again, you have variable on both sides, so you need to consolidate. Okay. Again, it's easier to do the move this one over here to this side, so that way you don't have to deal with negative. So to undo this one, this is minus 15, right? So minus 15x. So to undo that, you need to plus 15x. And when you do that, make sure none of your terms, right? So this cancel out, and none of everything, column by column. So you get 18x plus 18. Now, because you move the variable to the right side, means you have to move the number to the other side. So you have to move these. So minus 18, minus 18. Okay, so they're opposite signs, so you have to subtract the number, so you get 12, and you have to follow this sign over here. Your next step, you got 18 times x. So this is the multiplication. So to undo the multiplication, you have to divide. So divide by 18, divide by 18. Again, none of your equal sign all the way, so you get x equal. Now you have to reduce. So both of these are divisible by 6. So divide by 6, you get minus 2. Divide by 6, you get 3. So remember to reduce your answer. Your final answer should always be reduced. Okay? Unless there's some certain type of problem that deals with original fraction. Okay? But most of the time you want to reduce your fraction as much as you can.